Hey, what is up? I'm Dom and welcome to another video. In this video, we are checking out some awesome items from Lenovo. For those of you who are new here, I absolutely adore a bargain. You'll often find me shopping out for bargains. You'll find me on Wish, you'll find me on AliExpress, you'll find me buying technology in high street stores and supermarkets such as B&M and even Asda and Tesco, just to see what the products are like. This time it was the turn of AliExpress, and what I've purchased are two items from the same brand. Both of them looked pretty cool online, so I decided to get them, why not? So the first item is these sort of AirPods look-alike earbuds. They are the Lenovo ThinkPlus LivePods LP5. The boxes are slightly damaged on these. Hopefully the items will be of decent quality. The second item, the more damaged item, is the Lenovo ThinkPlus Bluetooth Speaker K3. So without further ado, let's check them out. Okay, so the box arrived slightly damaged, which is to be expected. It did come a very long way. All of the writing is in Mandarin, if I'm not mistaken. There are certain specifications, such as the transmission distance, which is 10 meters, the battery capacity, which is 35 milliamp hours, the usage time, which is 3.5 hours, the actual headsets. It states that the charging time is 1 hour and the rated input is 5 volts. As for the actual headphones themselves, or the earbuds themselves, in terms of the charging case, the battery capacity is 250 milliamp hours. The charging time is around 1.5 hours and it's also rated as 5 volts. So let's have a look at some of the other features. So they state that it's comfortable, that's important. It's got hands-free, long time standby, and you got touch controls, which are all pretty impressive. Now the box itself is showing a white pair. I specifically ordered a grey pair because I think they look pretty awesome on the pictures. Let's have a look. So inside they come in this sort of plasticky thing, which is to be expected. There's nothing else inside of the box. The AirPods come with a USB-C to A charger, which is pretty awesome. No logos on there or anything like that. These are the headphones. I'm going to leave them in here for the time being because there's some more things in the back of this plasticky box. So you got a ThinkPlus guide here, which explains how the item works. You've got some extra ear tips. I believe it's small, medium and large, which is essential. Now let's have a look at the pack. So this is the item. This is a charging case, to be exact. It doesn't feel very premium. It feels cheap. It's got some rough edges on it, but I guess it's just a case and it's not very important. It's got the ThinkPlus logo at the back and the Lenovo logo in the front. So these are the earphones. They've got the Lenovo logo on them. They look completely different to the AirPods Pro. They look, I'm not entirely sure, but they do look slightly larger, but they do actually look very stylish. Obviously the actual charging part is on the actual bottom of the AirPod. You can see there's two bits here, and that charges right at the bottom there. In terms of the case itself, the case does have a magnetic thing on it. Well, I'm not sure if it's magnetic or if it's just spring-loaded. It certainly doesn't open very easily for them to fall out. Just for comparison, these are my AirPods Pro, can't live without them. They're a lot smaller, the earbud itself is a lot smaller, They look completely different but similar. So yeah, they do have this sort of flashing light on them there, which would make you look like a helicopter, but I guess that's just how it's designed. So yeah, let's test the sound quality to see what it's like. Right, so let's start with the test. Now, one thing which is slightly concerning is that it's making a little bit of a high pitch noise. Not sure if you can hear that. Probably not. But oh well. Let's try the earbuds. Now I'm going to connect them to my iPhone 12. So let's have a look. There is no specific button on these, so I'm not entirely sure how to put them in pairing mode. Okay. Oh wow. This case does not like to stay open, and a trumpet sort of sound just went. I'm not sure what that's about. So the music has started playing straight away. Oh my god. You know, I import a lot of things from China and a lot of budget items in general, but the sound quality on these is really good. They are very surprising. Whoa. For £12, these are amazing. I'm not being funny, these are amazing. The bass is really good, and the sound, it doesn't lose or distort when I put the volume up to the top, and they sound like a full set of over-ear headphones. Obviously there aren't any features on this that you'd expect from premium headphones, such as noise cancelling, but nevertheless the actual headphones are amazing, and I'll definitely be keeping these. Highly recommend it. Other than how the case closes and how it won't stay open very long, and the plasticky feel of the item in general, the sound quality overtakes it in every single way. It's brilliant sound quality. These are better than many headphones, earbuds I've used in £10 to £100 price range. They just are. There's no doubt about it. They are amazing. But what is concerning me is there the sound goes again. That high pitched sort of charging sound. I'm not sure what that's about. So this is the K3 speaker. As with the headphones, it has a Mandarin there. I'm not sure what those mean. That's not an issue. But it does have the product specifications, and in this case it uses Bluetooth 5.0. Once again, it has a transmission distance of 10 meters. The battery capacity is 1200 milliamp hours. You got around 6 hours of usage time with 3 hours charging. This box took an extreme beating in transit. I hope the item is okay. I guess the only one way to check is to look inside of the box. So once again, you obviously have a charging cable. This time it's just a micro USB, which is a bit disappointing. This is the speaker. Now it does feel a little bit weighty, which is a good sign, or they've just put a weight in there. You got this little lanyardy thing, which could be useful, and it also comes with your instruction manual and a certificate thing. Let's have a closer look at the speaker. So this is the speaker. It's very basic in design. You've got the Lenovo logo, you've got the ThinkPlus logo, you've got a charging thing there which I have no idea how to open. I guess just like that. That fits. And you've got your controls. So the controls that you can see on here are obviously your power, next and previous track, pause, play, and I believe that's most likely to answer a phone call. The speaker does look premium quality, but it also feels extremely plasticky, just like the headphones. But whether it's worth it, that's a completely different question. I guess we're going to put that to the test. Anyway, moving on, let's have a look at the speaker. I hope it is charged. I'm not sure how to turn it on. Maybe by pressing the power button will help. I'm going to pair to it. I think that's put it in pairing mode. Let's connect to it. So it's still searching. I think it's found it, ThinkPlus K3. Alright, it's found it. Right, so overall I am incredibly satisfied with one of these items, and the one item I am incredibly satisfied with is the earbuds. There's no other word for them apart from amazing. I honestly can't believe that you can buy such good quality for the price. I highly recommend this as a gift. I highly recommend this for general usage as well. I haven't tested these to the full, so I don't really know what they're like when I'm out and about. I guess the next 6 to 7 months will tell. In terms of the actual speaker, I think the speaker for the price range, spent about a tenner on this, is average. It's not above average, it's not below average. It practically doesn't have any bass at all, but it's not to an extent where it feels extremely tinny. It's just a normal speaker you'd expect to buy for this sort of price range if you go down to your local supermarket, or if you go down to Argos and you have electronics stores in the region. It's not a great deal to be expected with this, but it's perfect for basic usage. If your needs are basic, if you just listen to the radio, if you don't really care for sound quality, this is absolutely perfect for you. One thing I am deeply disappointed in with this speaker is that it doesn't have an aux input, it's just USB. This speaker would have been ideal with an aux input. I could have used it when I'm out and about. It's perfect for that. Unfortunately, the lack of an aux input has put a stop to this. It's really disappointing, but it's good for when you're having a barbecue outside. It's good for basic things. It will fill the room without a doubt. Overall, I highly recommend the earbuds, and I do recommend the speaker if you're looking for a basic speaker. I'll leave the links to both items down below in the description of this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Till next time.